Hello everybody. Today let's talk about some very interesting topic about my trading story. And I think every trader has his own trading story. And for me, and I think today let's talk about some very sad trading story. Do you remember your first time to lose money in the forex market? I remember it was 10 years ago, and I lost my money the first time in 2009, and I started trading forex the first time. And because at that time I was working for an offshore company and doing some jobs from the bank, and because in 2008 there was a very huge financial storming. A lot of companies bankrupted, so the economy was not so good at the time. So I can do some interesting thing in my spare time. I had more spare time to do something I was interested. So I started learning forex market and started trading almost at the same time. In February, and the first 2 weeks, and I earned money from the market. I was using scalping trading style, and the scalping trading style worked actually, but it was very tiring because I needed to sit in front of the PC, and I couldn't leave from my seat because every tick was very important to me. And during 2 hours, I think maybe we would have just 10 opportunities to enter the market and to open the trade. So scalping style worked, but it was really tiring. We need to sit in front of the PC for 2 hours every day. It did harm to my health and my body. So after 2 weeks, and I gave up this kind of trading style. Even I traded in the style and I earned the money. Sometimes I earned $1,000 just in 1 minute. I traded a lot at the time. I think maybe 100 lots every day. So even it worked, and even I earned the money from the market, but I gave up because it do harm to my health. So I changed my trading style to swing. But unfortunately, after the change, I started losing money. I remember one day when I checked the market movement, and everything worked, and the market movements was forward to the direction which I predicted correctly. But after I woke up the next day, when I checked the market movement again, and I found the open trades were closed automatically, because I set up stop loss line for every open trade. So during the night, when I was asleep and the market moved to the opposite direction, and every my opened trade was closed in loss, it was a very big shock, and it was very painful, because I lost money, all the money I earned in the previous 2 weeks, just in one night, and I lost all the money I earned. So after that, and I found setting up stop loss is dangerous to the traders, but we still need them, because if we don't set stop loss line, and it will do more harm to your trading, because maybe your account will be broken. So stop loss line will save your money sometimes, but you need to open your bottom line to the broker. The broker which runs B-book will check your order book, and to find your thinking style, not just you. I think all the traders who set up stop loss line and open pending orders will be checked by the broker. So it was very dangerous to open your bottom lines to the brokerages, because they will use some solution to force the market to move to your opposite direction. It's dangerous. So after that, I stopped setting up stop loss line for every open trade. But this kind of method made me lose more money, because sometimes the market movement is very huge. So sometimes I met some margin call, and my account was liquidated, and so I learned stop loss line is necessary, is required, but you need to use them in a correct way. And how to use stop loss, and at the same time you need to avoid opening the stop loss line to the brokerage. So you need some solution. So after several months, I started to train automated trading, and I found it's very cool. It's very cool. And some trading platform is really helpful. It's really helpful, and they provided some very useful functions, and we just need to start running some EAs and make the EAs monitor the market movements, make the EAs check the stop loss line, and we don't need to do anything. We don't need to sit in front of the PC. So this kind of trading style is good, but the trading platform needs you to download and install in your PC, and it's black box, and we don't know what the trading platform is doing. So I cared about the security of our trading strategy. So we need some more transparent trading platform. Web-based trading platform is good. It's better than some trading platform needs to install and download, because you can check the source code, the JavaScript source code in your web browser, and you can find your strategy is leaked or not. So web-based trading platform is more transparent, and it's the EAs run on your browser and not on the server, so it's safer. So that's why we developed Fintechee trading platform to help us and to help us improve our trading style. We don't need to worry about our strategy stolen, and we don't need to worry about the stop loss line to open to the brokerage, and we don't need to sit in front of PC. Especially, I think a lot of traders are officemen, and they need to go to the office in the day, and during the day maybe the movement of the market is very fast. So if you have a meeting, if you have a business trip, and how can you check the market movement? So you need some new solution to check your market movement. Web-based trading platform can run on your mobile browser, so you don't need to bring your PC with you, and just by your mobile phone, and you can check the market movement, you can check your strategy anywhere. So it's really helpful, and that's the reason why we developed Fintechee trading platform, to help us, to help traders trade. Okay, so today's topic is about my trading story, and at the same time I gave you a new solution to improve your trading style. Okay, and hope the tutorial video is helpful, and thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.